The universe is vast, filled with countless galaxies, each holding its own mysteries, but one galaxy stands out as the closest and most fascinating neighbor to our Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy. In this video, we will take a deep dive into Andromeda, exploring its size, structure, history, and its inevitable collision with the Milky Way. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is located approximately 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. It is the largest galaxy in the local group, which includes the Milky Way, the Triangulum Galaxy, and several smaller dwarf galaxies. Andromeda is a spiral galaxy, much like our own, with vast arms of stars, dust, and gas swirling around a supermassive black hole at its center. Andromeda is enormous, stretching over 220,000 light-years in diameter, almost double the size of the Milky Way. It contains nearly 1 trillion stars, which is more than twice the number found in our galaxy. Some of these stars are billions of years old, while others are newly formed in dense star-forming regions. The galaxy is also home to thousands of star clusters, nebulae, and even exoplanets orbiting distant suns. One of the most fascinating aspects of Andromeda is its speed. You see, it is moving toward the Milky Way at a staggering velocity of 110 kilometers per second. Scientists predict that in about 4.5 billion years, our two galaxies will collide. This cosmic event, known as the Andromeda-Milky Way collision, will reshape the structure of both galaxies. However, because galaxies are mostly empty space, individual stars are unlikely to collide. Instead, gravitational forces will cause them to swirl and merge, eventually forming a giant elliptical galaxy. But how do we know all this? Well, the study of Andromeda dates back centuries. The first recorded observation of this galaxy was made by the Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi in 964 AD, who described it as a small cloud in the night sky. Later in the 18th century, French astronomer Charles Messier catalogued it as M31. However, it wasn't until the early 20th century that American astronomer Edwin Hubble confirmed that Andromeda was a separate galaxy, not just a nebula within the Milky Way. His discovery changed our understanding of the universe, proving that countless galaxies exist beyond our own. Andromeda is not alone. It has several satellite galaxies, including M32 and M110, which orbit around it. These smaller galaxies are slowly being consumed by Andromeda's gravitational pull. At the heart of Andromeda lies a supermassive black hole, millions of times the mass of our Sun. This black hole, like the one at the center of the Milky Way, influences the motion of nearby stars. Surrounding the core are dense star clusters, ancient stars, and powerful bursts of radiation that indicate ongoing galactic activity. Scientists use powerful telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope to study Andromeda in detail. These telescopes allow astronomers to observe its star-forming regions, black holes, and even potential planets orbiting its stars. Future space missions may provide even more insights into this incredible galaxy. Despite being millions of light-years away, Andromeda is visible to the naked eye on a clear night. If you look towards the constellation Andromeda, you can see it as a faint glowing patch in the sky. Using a telescope or even binoculars, you can observe its bright core and spiral arms in greater detail. Andromeda remains one of the most fascinating objects in the universe. Its beauty, mysteries, and its future collision with the Milky Way make it a key subject of study for astronomers. As we continue to explore space, Andromeda will always remind us of the vastness and wonder of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Stay tuned for more amazing space facts.